going to talk to you again about the importance of sanitation and not cross-contaminating. Do you remember back when your grandmother cooked a turkey dinner and they left it out? I remember my grandmother would leave the turkey dinner out all day long, and then the next morning we'd all wake up and say we had the 24-hour flu. There is no 24-hour flu. You have a window of time that you need in order to get that food out in the refrigerator. Here at Rib City, we do not let anything stand out. We make it cool. We have the water bath. Everything is done in the walk-in. There's procedures in place. Everybody has food handlers and they have ServSafe cards. But for this and cleaning up, you want to make sure you have your sanitizer bucket or something like that with some kind of a bleach solution or a sanitizing solution. You don't want to cross-contaminate. You just want to wipe it clean. Make sure you rinse it out in here. Okay, this rag would be dirty. We'd have to go get another one. The other thing you want to do is make sure you wash your hands several times. We have sanitizing solution and we have a food service soap that we use. We wash our hands for at least 30 seconds and it has to be really hot. We probably wash our hands here at Rib City. The cooks, I make them wash their hands they probably wash it 15 times a day, but it's usually every half hour. And then they change their gloves after every plate that they make, whether they're making turkey, pork. We go through probably 2 or 3 cases of gloves a week.